Hello and welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the Object-Oriented Java section, Lesson Methods Part 2. Fantastic. Similar to constructors, you can customize methods to accept parameters. Here we have our car class and the constructor of our car class, which takes in a year, and then that year gets saved into the model year variable. So we could customize our car to have a specific year. Down here we have the start engine method, which will print out vroom. Whenever we use that method, we have now this drive method, which will take in distance in miles. It will print out, when we use the drive method, miles driven, and then add distance in miles that was passed in. Here on our main method, we create a new car object called myFastCar. It's passed in the year 2007, which gets saved into model year variable. So this specific car, myFastCar, will have 2007 as the model year. Down here we do myFastCar.startEngine, which will print vroom. Then under it we do myFastCar.drive 1628, which will print out miles driven 1628. In the example above, we create a drive method that accepts an int parameter called distance in miles. In the main method, we call the drive method on the myFastCar object and provide an int parameter of 1628. Calling the drive method on myFastCar will result in printing miles driven 1628 to the console. Instructions: in between the bark and main methods, add a method called run to the dog class by typing public void run curly braces. So we're just making this other method over here in between bark and main. So right under bark, we're creating public void run and then curly braces. So for now, let us run that and see if we pass. So we did pass that. Second, it says modify the run method so that it accepts an int parameter called feet. So here we want to do int feet. We'll run that. We did pass that. Inside the run method, type. So let's go here and do system.out print line. Then your dog ran space quote plus feet plus quotes space feet. Let's not forget exclamation point and semicolon. If we run that now, we did pass. It printed out woof because we only have our main method performing the bark method. I'm sure here we're going to do that. Inside of the main method, call the run method on the spike object. You can pass in an int parameter of your choice. So here, right under that, we do spike.run, and we could pass in like 10,000 and run this. We forgot our semicolon. I'll run it now. Your dog ran 10,000 feet. We did pass. So the important thing here is we created another method. We provided a parameter of our choice. In this example, it was feet. And then within our code, whenever that method is called, we provide it something to do. In this case, run, and so many feet. So we're able to customize these objects, and we're able to create different objects from the same class. This is a real powerful concept, and we will do more with it in the following lessons. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next lesson.